In a small community in rural areas, we need access to high quality healthcare, therapists, and we have that here. And I've witnessed it in so many levels, from the speech therapy department to the specialty clinic.
I work with some amazing coworkers across all the professions, honestly, but especially in our therapy department.
We really take a lot of pride in providing these quality services in our small community.
Most of us grew up around here, or have decided to settle with our families in this rural Nebraska town or towns close.
We are a smaller community that is able to offer those big city amenities. I think a benefit to us being a smaller community and a smaller staff is that we have that great communication amongst all of us here. If we have any occupational therapy concerns, I can reach right out to our occupational therapist.
We see patients across the lifespan, anywhere from young babies to children, adults, elderly. We can work on things from vision to cognition to strength, activity tolerance, sensory processing.
A lot of people think of physical therapy, those patients that just had surgery. We also work with patients with chronic pain. We work with our elderly patients on fall prevention. And then we've been really trying to expand our pediatric department here as well. Speech pathology is a very broad form of therapy. Whether it be a child gaining those first communication skills or to properly articulate their words. It could be an adult who has maybe had a stroke and needs to relearn how to swallow or talk. That's what I love about this rural setting, is that you really get to see everything. Every day is different.
It didn't matter what kind of items they had here or what the facility was like. It was honestly about the people. I've known some of them for many years now, and I trust their opinion.
Chances are we are going to know who we run into at the grocery store, and maybe we can help their loved one with something, or even themselves.
I'm seeing a bunch of the therapists, helping out all their patients, as much as they can.
We've got our clinic here in St. Paul, but we also have our clinic up in Greeley that we're able to offer those physical therapy services for our patients so that they're just a little bit closer to home. They're not having to drive those long hours or anything like that.
When I was first going through therapy, I was not able to drive. Having this service right here in St. Paul definitely is a convenience for me.
St. Paul, it's a small town. People don't know about it.
I think it's nice too, just to step out in the community and to teach them that we do have this.
We need people that can give us the care we need versus going to Grand Island, Omaha, Kearney, and we have that here.
Howard County Medical Center. Smaller hospital, bigger relationships, closer to home.